we have our breakout indicator. It's called Volatility Crusher, and this is actually my favorite one. Why? Well, because it's kind of a scalping indicator. You go for little profits, you get an entry signal here. Profit is not far off, and then the second profit target is up here, and you're in and out of the trade fairly often. And it's exciting. It's a fun way to trade, but more importantly, there's really good success statistics. Mind you that often our profit targets are closer than the stop loss, and we use a trading stop here. So you need to be way above 50% to make it profitable. But it's just you get this good feeling. You get so many winners in a row. It has really good entry signals, and you will get to the long and short side a high probability of having a successful trade.
Daniel, is it a 15-minute chart you have it on?
That's a 5-minute chart. Euro USD 5-minute.
So, like during a 24-hour day cycle, 5-minute chart, what's the average amount of signals this will?
You get one trade on average. So
you get one trade a day?
One trade a day, give or take. Yes.
Okay, so, and the average pip target for that?
It's all configurable. So these are all parameters. So I think it's 40% from entry. Oh, so entry is here, and then
40%
it's 40%
of risk. 40% of risk.
40% of this box here, and there's some documentation which will come with it. Okay. And then we have 100% of the size of this breakout box, as we call it. And the stop loss is typically at the other end of the box, initially at least. And then we have a trading stop.
So it's basically 40% of the box.
For the first target, and then for the second, it's a bit further out.
So these boxes are because I can't really see on the scale. What does that look like? Is it a 20 pip box, 30 pip box? What is it?
Yeah, give or take. I can quickly measure this, but this of course depends on which. No, it's a 10 real pip box.
10 pip box. Okay.
10, 11.
So on a 5-minute chart, I was going to ask you one other question. Is this an indicator that generates, like if you went to hourly or 4-hour charts, obviously you're going to have much less frequency, but is the accuracy increase, is the efficiency increase, or is it relatively fractal?
It depends on the symbol. So some symbols, it's just steady across the board on any time frame. On some symbols, it doesn't work as well, but you can just very easily see it on these statistics here by just dragging in a new symbol. Right. And for example, here you see right away on the Dow 30, it's not working as well, at least not with the parameters chosen.
Right. So that was the other symbol was what? The euro?
Euro USD on 5-minute.
Well, what about NASDAQ? Do you have NASDAQ up there? I'm just curious.
Yeah. Actually, it works really well on the SPY, but on NASDAQ, yeah, very good. Very high proficiency.
Well, because I had a feeling. because what this is an indicator that sort of like is dear to my heart. It trades continuity and breakout, which is if you find an instrument that has continuity and breakout, this is a very applicable.